Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's episode of the Pokémon Center in Linux, we will be learning about the chmod command. This is one of the most important concepts in Linux as it determines who can do what with what files and which directories. Understanding and using chmod effectively is crucial for managing the security and access control in Linux. So without further ado, let's jump into the lesson. In Linux, each file is associated with an owner and a group and assigned with permission access rights. Now, Linux permissions are based on three categories of user. You got the owner, the group, and then others. Additionally, there are three types of permissions, with read, write, and execute, each being represented by different numbers. The first permission type is read. This is who can see the file contents and who can actually view the file. To edit the file, you'll need to have the ability to write, which is denoted by number 2. This is who can change the file. Furthermore, you have the ability to execute. This is denoted by number 1. This is who can run the file like a program. And there is also a number 0, which basically just means you have no permission to do anything and you're basically just there to do nothing. Boo-hoo. Now, a chmod number has 3 digits, one for the owner, one for group, and one for others. You can combine these numbers to create a permission level. For example, we have chmod 444 charmander.txt. This basically just means that the owner, the group, and other users can only view the file and nobody can alter them. Looking at another example, we have chmod 755. This means the owner gets 7, which denotes they got full access, whereas the group gets 5. They can only read and execute, and then the other users get 5 as well to read and execute. chmod 755 on the fireboard means that Nurse Joy has full control over the fireboard, but visitors and other staff can only view. Continuing the example, chmod 700 in the psychic ward once again means Nurse Joy has full access to edit and control what goes on in the psychic ward, but visitors and staff has no permission at all to do anything within it. Now, what about a chmod that starts with a 6 and has a 4 and a 4 within it? What this means is that the owner, Nurse Joy, has the read and the write permission because 4 plus 2 equals 6, whereas the group and other users only have the read permission as that is assigned the number 4. If you ever need to view the permissions of a file or directory, you can simply use the ls-l command, as this lists the files and directories along with the permissions in a long format. And that basically wraps up this video of how to use the chmod command within Linux and how to use it within the Pokémon Center. We only have one more episode left in the series, and I hope you've enjoyed the journey so far. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, please be sure to also have a nice day. Thank you.